Greetings from the Black Hills of Dakota Territory, United States of America. Stan Gibilisco here, proprietor and operator of amateur radio station W1, GV Whiskey 1, Golf Victor. The date is November 2, 2013. The time, 3:13 p.m. Mountain Daylight. We'll shift back to Standard Time tonight. 6 hours difference right now between my time and UTC, which is 21:13. Just turned over to 21:14 from my atomic clock up there on the wall. Atomic meaning it tunes into the WWVB, I believe it is, frequency to synchronize itself. One of those kind, you know those kind. They're cool. Big numbers too. 2 inches high. Can see it from a good distance. And an LED display. The battery lasts for years and years and years. But that'll be 7 hours difference starting tomorrow. Anyway, the Sweepstakes contest is going on. The November CW Sweepstakes, or if they're sending CQSS, I guess that's what that means. Not the CQ worldwide, but the Sweepstakes, I guess. And not surprisingly, let's just go to the SSB. Lots of activity up here on 10 meters CW. Good to hear. Now, I'm not really into this contest very much. I did it once, and I'm really not into long-term contesting, except just for a few contacts now and then to test antennas, especially if there's a pileup on a station and I can get through with 10 watts. That isn't going to happen on this band right now. The antenna is not matched. But listen to all those signals. Now, shouldn't be surprising then that we'd hear a lot of activity on 15 meters. Listen to all that. Wow. Conditions have been good lately, and here we've got this contest going. Now, I don't think they operate the contest very much on 24 megahertz or 18 megahertz or 10 megahertz. Those newer bands, those narrower bands. So that might be a good opportunity for those who want to snag a little bit of rare DX. If there's some DXers out there that aren't interested in the sweepstakes, possibly there'd be a lot less competition. Well, that's a WB2. That wouldn't be DX. Probably be in New York, New Jersey. Well, and we heard signals on 21 megahertz. Being a weekend, we can't use W1AW as a beacon. Well, what? PZ, that's Brazil, and he's loud. No, the PZ is calling some other DX station, evidently. I was going to try and get him, but I don't think I heard that other DX. Well, see, that's what I was talking about. There'd be quite a lot less competition. Now, 14 megahertz is probably just a madhouse. Be in the middle of the daytime, sweepstakes contest, good conditions. Well, I don't know if I'd go that far, but there are quite a lot of signals on here. So anyway, the one thing I wanted to do was to see if I could hear anything on 50 megahertz. So we'll go through the commonly accepted CW band here, and by golly, I don't hear a thing. Someone had commented that 10 meters was great, 6 meters stank or stunk. or stonk or something. And I guess that can pretty much sum it up. Normally this is where these stations would hang out. 50.090. That's where the CW would hang out. Well, with that I'll say 73, meaning best regards for those of you who are not ham radio operators. And for those of you who have listened through this whole video and you're not a ham radio operator, contact the American Radio Relay League, ARRL.org. Get the materials that they offer to prepare you for your ham radio license, and then get one, will you? Join the crowd. Happy hamming to those of you who are. From the Black Hills of Dakota Territory, once again, Stan Gibilisco, W1GV Whiskey 1, Golf Victor, saying so long.